Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. I know you click on this video today, you're probably on a journey to grow thick, long, luscious, full and healthy hair. This hairspray we're about to make today will help you do that, achieve your dream, achieve your goal. Let's get to it.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time,
So this is a very simple hairspray. You're just gonna need a jar, a glass jar or whatever container you would need, a spray bottle, and the ingredients that we are going to use today. We will use the fenugreek seed. This is the organic one. And I will be using some clove and of course some rosemary leaves. I am starting by getting all the leaf and just cutting it off and put it inside this dry and clean jar. And y'all know, if you don't know the properties or the benefits of rosemary for hair, I will go ahead and put some of the benefit in the description box as well. But rosemary has been known for years to help you promote healthy hair growth. The next ingredient I am using is this fenugreek seed. I will be using 2 tablespoons or maybe 2 tablespoons and a half of this seed. And the properties of this seed is that it helps in retaining moisture into your hair. It keeps it luscious and smooth in texture. This seed helps you grow your hair by stimulating your hair your hair follicles, nourishing your hair follicles, and increase blood circulation. The same way with clove. Clove is a seed or a spice that actually helps you keep a very favorable and healthy scalp. And in order to grow healthy hair, you do need to have a healthy scalp, and clove is one of the spices that helps you do that. After I put all the ingredients in the jar, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some hot water into it. I am adding hot water because I want all these ingredients to fuse very quickly and very rapidly. I just pour that hot water in there. You just give it a stir, and I'm gonna go ahead and just close it up and leave it to sit. And that is it, y'all. That is it. Basically it. This is the next day, and as you can see, all my seeds and leaves and all the spice has fused together. You can see how my water has changed color, and this is all you need. And this is 24 hours later. Sometimes you don't have to leave it 24 hours. I believe about 12 hours should be enough when you use hot water to fuse all these ingredients together. I'm using this head net right here to just filter everything and get the particle separated from the water. And you just pour in there, pour it all out, and just let it drain.
Come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what.
Once you separate the liquid, all you need to do is just grab your spray bottle and pour everything inside your spray bottle, just like I'm doing right now. I like to spice up things, so I will add some peppermint or essential oil and some vegetable glycerin, and this is just optional. You don't have to. Right now I'm adding a little bit of glycerin into this water just to add just that boost of moisture overall, and I will add some peppermint essential oil as well, just a little drop, just to, for the smell, for the stimulation, for increased stimulation as well. And you just go ahead and shake it all together, and that is it, y'all. It is ready to be used. This hairspray is potent, is loaded, is efficacious, very effective. So you need to use this on you can spray this on your protective style just like I'm doing, or you can just go ahead and straight up spray it on your hair before you style it, and that is just how it's used. And just make sure you saturate your hair very well. You can use this every other day or every day for faster result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Arms.